If you've gotten a notice from your insurance company regarding risk management, if you're an HOA or a homeowner or a commercial business, to get rid of your Zinsco panels or your FPE, Federal Pacific, some of that equipment will fail, the breakers won't kick, wires overheat, and that's the kind of thing insurance companies, with good reason, are looking to get upgraded, and they will threaten you with canceling your policy, and there's good reason for that. There are problems associated with those old, obsolete FPE and Zinsco panels, and it's important to remedy that. Sometimes the breakers don't kick and it overheats, and insurance companies aren't crazy about that because they might cause a fire. So they're all over the place. Houses, condos, buildings, commercial buildings, and it's a good thing. They should be. They've done their time, and they should be put out to pasture. At Hein Electric, we want to make sure that you get everything right, so you're not getting hassled by the insurance company. We get you up to current safety standards. It can be a fairly expensive fix, or maybe not that bad, but it definitely needs to be addressed. We'll give you a free bid, and we're here to help you.